I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want the most delicious glass of water every time, then you have to check out this awesome reverse osmosis system from Waterdrop. What I love about this system is it is a plug-in and go type of system. I don't have to connect it to any additional water sources, but I fill up the water reservoir and then out comes the most smooth, delicious taste of water. The first thing I noticed when I powered this up was just how very crystal clear the display screen was. It's very intuitive and very user-friendly, which I personally really appreciate. This reverse osmosis system filters the water so wonderfully, and really every single time I get a really nice, crisp, smooth tasting glass of water. I can customize the size, whether it's 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 16 ounces, or 20 ounces. I can even adjust the temperature. So I really appreciate that from the same machine, I can get a hot, steaming hot cup of tea, or even a nice, very cold water bottle fill up. This one's unique because it has a portable, pure water pitcher. That comes in so handy. It is completely full. I can use it in cooking, or just if I need a little bit larger volume of water, I can pour it directly from that pitcher. This system also has a couple cool features that I love as a mom. Not only does it have a lock if you're trying to dispense hot water that an extra step has to be done, but I also love that it has a favorite button. So we personally set that favorite button to match my son's cup size and his water temperature that he typically likes. And so he knows that he can come up here, hit that favorite button, hit the little water drop, and fill up his cup all on his own. So whether you want a nice hot cup of tea or maybe some cold water to fill up your water bottle, this system has you covered. I would definitely recommend this reverse osmosis system from Waterdrop, but that's just my point of view.